Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're gonna fix something we haven't really fixed before, and I think down here is some electronics. Our gym stereo, by gym I mean this gym. Our gym stereo didn't have an antenna. Actually, it broke off. I inherited this stereo. It's a receiver. It is a Sherwood AV Pro Logic RV6030R. So it's fairly old. I inherited this from my grandfather. My mom gave me this when my grandfather died, and I think he died in 1995. So I've had it for a long time. Due to some other vintage acquisitions, we put this out to jam in the garage with DIY speakers. More on those later. The antenna had broke off of this. It had a little coax connection on the back, and that broke, and we couldn't pick up any stations to play out here in the gym. So let's get to fixing that. Okay guys, here is the receiver. There's the hole our unbalanced FM antenna was. That used to be a little coax type connector, kind of like a cable TV connector. So I've been looking around in here. I've been trying to figure out, I thought maybe I could just put this wire in and then get it onto the board down there where it is, but that's so small, I just don't think I can do it. So what I did is I looked along the tuner here. And by the way, if you're gonna take apart a receiver, make sure it's unplugged and make sure the capacitors are discharged. Be safe. There's a lot of stuff in there that can really hurt you. So if you don't know what you're doing, I wouldn't try this. But as I'm looking around the tuner, this is probably going to be hard for you guys to see. Let me get some light on it. I've been looking around right here on this tuner, and there's the antenna connectors are right there. It's going to be hard to see, but that says ANT1 and ANT2. So what I did is I took an alligator clip, put a wire on it, and I clipped it right there onto that antenna 2 connection. And I put a little piece of tape there, just so it doesn't touch anything metal inside the case. And then I ran the wire through the hole, attached it to that screw, and left it up. And that actually, now I can pick up the stations I need to pick up. Hey, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Quick tip, how I fix this, pick up the stations. Not worth throwing out, not worth getting rid of. Still a great stereo system. Plays really awesome in the gym. We'll see you next time.